All right, good morning. Returning to Wealthy Coin is a pleasure. News about Shiba Inu coins. Shiba Inu price forecast is what we're going to talk about today. The world's biggest and most popular cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was trading almost one tire at $23.97 on October 6, continuing a trend of rising cryptocurrency values. The value of all cryptocurrencies in circulation surpassed $1 trillion again today. Coin reports that its value has risen in the past 24 hours, reaching $1.01 trillion. Today, Gecko will finally get down to discussing the incredible news surrounding Shiba Inus and their coins. To stay up to date on our latest content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecast, subscribe to the channel, share it, and give it a thumbs up. All right, let's jump right in. Connected to the Ethereum network, Dogecoin is the second biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. As Shiba Inu fell over to 0.12, the former rose over to $13.82. The coin's formation of a symmetrical triangle pattern indicates investor hesitancy, but there is still no consensus on the Shiba price forecast. Although Shiba Inu was one of the most severely damaged cryptocurrencies in the most recent market crisis, data from CoinMarketCap shows that it has recovered admirably during the last week. Its 2.15% price gain over the past week puts it in the top 20 performing cryptocurrency list. Out of all the SHIB holders, 26 are making money at the present price, 69 are losing money, and only 5 are breaking even. According to the on-chain measures that show clearly in the token overview how much money Shiba Inu makes, the gain in value was close to $250 million, increasing the current market capitalization to $6.02 billion. On October 6, the highly anticipated video game Shiba Eternity will be released worldwide. A user on Twitter has been dropping hints regarding the debut of a collectible card game that boasts of being the most challenging ever. Prior to its release, the game was tested in Vietnam and Australia, where it gained popularity rapidly. Apart from that, Shoshiro Kozama, the main developer of the game, declared his excitement at the game's impending release to the public after having played it for a while. A common complaint leveled against meme currencies is that they give their users access to an infinite supply of tokens. During a Twitter Spaces event on September 23, the FURS revealed when the game will be available for purchase. The official postponement of the download day from its planned debut date of October 1 has been announced, since the gaming utility might significantly affect SHIB if Shiba Eternity is successful. Chu is eager to discover a solution, for which there has been a substantial price increase. Members of the SHIB's crew are also involved in other community service initiatives. The destruction of R2 Shiba Inu and the upcoming release of Shireman were 2 steps toward creating a scarcity effect. By sending it to dormant wallets, the Burn initiative hopes to deprive SHIB of its circulation. First, there's the SHIBBR website. Second, there's SHIBBR Radio. And third, users can pay using Twitter Super followers to join Twitter Super and burn more SHIB. According to a tweet from October 4, these are the 3 primary ways the platform destroys SHIBs. This burning process will cause demand to increase and SHIB prices to soar. The 24-hour trading volume for SHIBBR is 270 and 593,195 Shiba, and the current price is 0.11, capped at 6B 247 M 76,100 in real time, with a decline of 0.91 in the previous day. Inu is now placed 14th. There are 632 SHIB coins in circulation, which is the highest amount with a value of $549,63,278.87. Uncertainty surrounds the supply. Shiba Inu may trade in a positive fashion, raising the possibility of a bullish crossing, due to the solid fundamentals. The 50-day moving average and 0.119 provide immediate support for Shiba Inu. The next level of support is around 0.193, and the SHIB will likely go to it if there is a bearish crossover below the 50 MA. SHIB might drop below the 0.193 triple bottom support level and into the 0.151 region if selling pressures increase. For as long as the trend stays above 0.111, near the 0.1157 level, there is a critical resistance. The SHIB might be sent to 0.11,195 if this level breaks. The SHIB's burning mechanism is getting better and faster, and it even touched 4-digit speeds once. Many things contributed to the token's growth. But two of the most important were the recent improvements to its surroundings and the buying frenzy caused by the decreased pricing. The widely publicized token-burning campaign propelled Shiba Inu, the leading cryptocurrency, to new heights. The token's burn rate increased by roughly 3,000 in just 24 hours, consuming approximately 200 million coins. Two whales have just secured multi-million-dollar jobs in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. These behemoths amassed 700 billion SHIBs, valued at more than $8.06 million. One of them even opened a new wallet, adding 541 billion tokens, valued at more than $6.06 million. According to Shiba data, a pod of whales allegedly destroyed millions of SHIB tokens, mentioning whales all by itself. The flagship coin is still being acquired at an outstanding rate by these leading buyers. Whales data shows that the wealthiest Ethereum holders reaped substantial profits. The largest Ethereum holders, known as whales, owned tokens worth almost $160 million. Interest in the flagship cryptocurrency was stoked by the SHIB's price discontinuation, which ultimately benefited its purpose. Actually, as per CoinMarketCap's review of the August cryptocurrency market, SHIB's burning rate made it one of the most interesting crypto assets for consumers across the globe, as it impressed many enthusiasts inside the ecosystem. Still, the price couldn't go back up to its previous level of activity. Mark Kozama, principal developer of the 14th-ranked altcoin, divulged the strategy the SHIB's troops needed to burn the SHIB, resulting in a further drop in value. An efficient increase in supply could lead to a price increase, and the main developer of Shiba Inu has hinted at the release of its next Layer 2 scaling solution. Perhaps this is the key to destroying Karen, the last operational SHIB. The statistics from CoinMarketCap indicates that SHIB Metaverse and SHIB-based stablecoin SHA are expected to be part of the future initiative, according to the trading volume for Shiba Inu's governance token. An unexpected 205 increase occurred in Bone. Nevertheless, the price of Bone persisted in falling, leaving many to wonder why. Bone has fallen 13.40 cents from the previous day's trading price, which was $11.20 as of this writing, as experienced traders purchase and sell massive amounts of any asset with higher volatility in the hopes of making a profit. The number of trades in that asset tends to climb. Similarly, the current low price of Bone and the fact that investors are trying to buy it could have boosted Bone volume. Some analysts argue that trading volume, or the total number of units transferred between buyers and sellers, is not a reliable indicator of investor sentiment, even though traders were eager to take advantage of the recent price volatility, although the exact reason behind the disposal has not been determined yet. A lot of people think it's because people aren't sure what will happen with the Karen launch. On August 30, Bone reached a new all-time high of $2.39, making it one of the biggest gainers in August. After reaching its peak, the price of Bone quickly fell into a range that bulls were unable to break above by the end of September, leading to further more falls. Some investors might not see the update as unique compared to everything else happening in the ecosystem following its release, even though the development may have thrilled some community members. Despite a decline in the ecosystem and a post by the Look post on October 4, the Shiba team, who are working on their metaverse, gave an update. The amount of SHIBs declined 10 in 24-hour trading volume to $79.04 million, which is not very encouraging. Nonetheless, as of press time, the Directional Movement Index revealed a battle for relevance between SHIB buyers and sellers. In this